Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add charts and graphs in Canva quickly and easily. If you want to make your designs more visually appealing and informative, this guide is perfect for you. Charts and graphs aren't just for reports. They can turn any presentation, poster, or social media post into something that really pops. First, open Canva and pick the design you want to work on. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main toolbar. Click on Elements. This is your creative toolbox in Canva, packed with shapes, lines, illustrations, and yes, even charts. Next, type chart into the search bar. You'll see a variety of options: bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Take a moment to explore. Choosing the right chart can make your data not only readable, but visually striking. Once you've picked the chart you like, just drag and drop it into your design. You can resize it by dragging the corners and use the alignment tools to position it perfectly. The goal is to make sure your chart complements the overall layout and message. Now for the fun part, adding your data. Click on the chart and look for the edit option or the data panel on the side. Here, you can input your numbers, add labels, and even customize the colors to match your design. Canva makes it super easy to turn raw numbers into a polished visual story. And that's it. You've successfully added a chart or graph to your Canva design. Play around with different styles, tweak the colors, and make it truly yours. With this simple process, your presentations, posters, and social media posts can go from ordinary to outstanding. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and start creating designs that not only look amazing, but also communicate your message effectively. Happy designing.